Going on. Figure I'd take you through a walkthrough of my Lamborghini Gallardo. So as we get into the garage, here it is here. It's a 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo. Giallo Midas, I guess that yellow is called, so I might have butchered that name, but that's what it is. Pretty cool car. It's a 04. It has some upgrades, not your typical 04. So as you can see, it has the carbon fiber side skirts there, the different mirrors, different front bumper. Has the carbon fiber wing in the back, and also the rear diffuser here. You can see that, carbon fiber diffuser. Has a Tubi exhaust with Fabspeed bypass pipe, so it spits flames pretty good. As you can see the singe marks there. So it's kind of neat. Kind of done up like a Superleggera model with the black painted roof and the wing and things like that. So nice, really awesome HRE wheels. They're really cool. I thought they were really awesome when I saw the car. So, little bit about when I was buying this. So when I first started looking for something, I wanted some kind of supercar. So what I was looking for was a Ferrari 348. When I was in high school, that was just the car. That's like what I wanted. A Ferrari 348, red, tan interior. So I started looking for them and looked at a couple, and you know, nothing just like hit me. So while I was looking for that, of course, the Ferrari 355s started popping up during my searches. So started looking at them as well, and looked at a couple, but just nothing really hit me. So again, while I was looking at those, these Lamborghini Gallardos started, you know, popping up in the searches. So of course, who wouldn't want a Lambo, right? So I started looking at them. I'm like, all right, a little more money, but you know, supposedly a little more reliable of a car. And so I started looking at the Gallardos, and what I really wanted was that orange color. I don't know the name offhand, but I wanted that orange color Gallardo with a gated shifter. But both of those things are a little more hard to come by, and you know, at a price range I was like searching in, so just couldn't find anything. Then this car popped up. Found this in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thanks again, Jeremy. Awesome meeting him and hanging out. It was a cool experience. So found this in Tulsa. Called up Jeremy and was like, I'm flying out. I'm booking a flight right now. It's a done deal. So a couple days later, me and my brother-in-law flew out there to Tulsa to get the deal all done. Really cool experience. He made a little video of our experience, so that was neat. So flew out there, did the deal, had it shipped home. Wanted to drive it home, but it's about 22 hours or more drive from Tulsa to this Philly area here, so decided not to. Didn't want to have to get like a full detail, and you know, who knows what else would have happened. So had it shipped home. That was a hard time waiting, a couple weeks for it to get here, but it's here. It's a fun car. Let's see, what else about it? We'll go to the front here. Not a whole lot of room in the front trunk here, but there's some room. So I'm sure you've seen it before, but some cleaning supplies, hats, some t-shirts I got and stuff, and car cover. So it's on the trickle charger here. Always leave the battery tender on it. Open it up here. As you can hear, that's the E-gear pump, so it is the E-gear, like I said. Great interior. Super clean car. For an 04, it's one of the best interiors that I've seen. Some upgrades in there, as you can see, the new steering wheel, some carbon fiber accents and things. Now this is '04, so they didn't have the nav or backup camera. This one is upgraded with that, which is really nice. So that's pretty much that. Super clean. When I saw the car, I really liked it. So I wasn't really held on a color. I did like the orange, but it didn't really matter which color I got as long as it was in my price range. Now this car was in an accident in 2005. It says it was hit up front here on the right side. So that might be why whoever did these upgrades and things went from there, which is kind of cool. I like that. I'm not that kind of guy that's that purist where, you know, it has to be untouched. It's a car. It can be fixed. It can be changed, you know. I understand if you're collecting and things like that and, you know, you want it all stock, but I'm not really into that for something like this. As long as the car is in good condition and drives great and looks cool, I'm all about it. So that's pretty much it. Maintenance wise, didn't have to do anything. I bought this in November of 2020. So had it almost about a year now. It's actually going in today to Lambo Philly to get serviced. About a week ago, I was in the Mainline Motor Rally, and on the way there, it overheated. So we got to Fabspeed, the meeting spot up at Fabspeed, and the car was overheating. So let it cool down, tested it out, checked the fluid, and the fluid was low. So hopefully it's no big deal, but in any case, it's going into Lambo Philly today to get service, you know, oil change, full, you know, check and things like that, inspection. That way we can see what's up. Hopefully it's no big deal. Never had an issue with it. Car runs great. No problems that way, other than that overheating issue at one time. But so we'll see. We'll see what that bill's going to cost. Again, didn't have to do anything with it so far. Insurance isn't bad on this for me. I'm 46 years old, never really had an accident, so I only pay, I think my insurance is like $468 a year for this thing, so that's not bad at all. I know other states or whatever, your age matters and things like that, but for me it's no big deal, insurance-wise. So, yeah. So in a little bit, I guess we'll do a cold start on our way over to Lambo Philly, and maybe I'll make another video, you know, as it goes in there for service, and we'll see what's up with that, and we'll kind of go from there. Hope you liked the video. If you want to know anything or want me to post any other videos, let me know, and we'll go from there. But in a little bit, we'll do a cold start and head over to Lambo Philly. pretty neat. Lambo of Philly's just opening up. They were Maserati of the main line, so they're still Maserati, but right down the road they're opening up their Lamborghini dealership, so nice and convenient. Only about, I'd say, 15 minutes from my house, so get all the service done there. I do have a mechanic that he can work on this, but it's nice to have the service records from Lamborghini themselves, and for this annual service I'd like to take it in there, get everything checked out, especially with that overheating issue I had. So we'll see how that works out, and hopefully the bill's not too bad, but I mean, it's kind of the price you pay, right, for driving this. But other than that, like I said, no maintenance or any bills other than this, so I've been super happy with the purchase so far. So it's always fun to come here too, see what cars they got. Ooh, they got a McLaren sitting out here right now. Are here. Let's go drop this off and say goodbye to the Lambo. Here we are, Lambo Philly. We got a nice 570 McLaren here. Pretty cool stuff. Upgrade to this next, huh? All right, back here, the empty garage. No more Lambo for right now. So hope you liked the video. Again, if you want me to make any other videos or anything specific, let me know, and we'll see what we can do, and we'll see you on the next one.